Hello, welcome back to Around on the Bike Space Camp. I just realized when I took the seat off that I haven't cleaned underneath, so I'm just scraping off the biggest chunks and I'm gonna clean it up with some soap water. We're nearly there with a little bat bike. I reckon might be this episode that is the last one, I'm not sure, we'll see. But yeah, I'm gonna clean this up, and I think I've come up with an idea how to attach it, click like that, because here used to be the sort of locking mechanism, and I could actually stick inside here I could stick in and glue a bit of sheet metal or maybe plastic that just clicks on to where the old one used to click on. Yeah, it's getting really fun now, this little project. Right, getting the pegs back on. So I have an idea, because the seat, it just sticks in here, these slots, but it used to be held in place, as you can see here, with a tie wrap. Now here are two holes that was originally for the fairings, and I'm not going to put the fairings on. So what I want to do is to put, if I drill through here and then make just a small puncture here, I can use these bolts through there, and that's going to be fine. It's not going to tear anything, it's not going to make any, you know, bad impact on anything. So that's, I think, how I will fasten the seat to the frame. There we have the holes, and that goes through there easily. Now we need to make a small puncture in the middle. And that's all we want. Nothing bigger than that, so the screw can just go slide through. Like so, perfect. Oh, excellent. So we're having an amazingly beautiful day here in Braintree. And look, we took the trellis down yesterday, cut all the vines down, back down, and the jasmine. putting up new trellises. Kelly painted the wall, looks amazing. And we're putting new trellises up. It's like a mess, a little bit of a mess in here, but not too bad. Anyway, gonna fill up the tires on the little dirt bike and then try to start it up and give it a go, see if we can ride it. Put some cold start in there. When you pull the gas, it starts.
How do you stop?
Just brake, that one works better. The brake on that one, I have to tighten this one. It's just moving.
If you're up, you'll back down.
Yeah, exactly. Downhill is better.
Goes all right.
Yeah, it's running.
First of all, I was running. It isn't very quick. I have my hand on
Yeah, exactly. You have to. It barely moves uphill.
Yeah.
Cool.
Keep the bloody noise down. I'm calling the police and the Daily Mail.
All right. I guess that concludes this build and this series. So now I'm just gonna have to sell it. I'm guessing I'll get maybe £150 for it, maybe 200. I'll see. I'll put it on Facebook Marketplace and I'll put it on Around on a Bike's Facebook page. And if you fancy buying it off me, give me a PM. I hope you liked this episode, and if you didn't, please share it with someone who might. But if you did, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and click the little bell symbol for notifications. If you want to become a part of the Around on a Bike community, get early access to my videos, your name in the end credit, a bunch of my stickers and other perks. Join the channel or become a Patreon. Links in the description below.